now with more people. There's not
The
only
more, the merrier, yeah?
Yes, there's not only two of us again, Sister Dewi. So maybe let's introduce yourself, our lovely, beautifully
Hello, smart
listener.
I'm Andinar Inayatul Aini. You can call me Aini.
Yes, and
Okay, good evening, smart listener. Maybe my voice is quite familiar, but I don't think so. It's come back. Come back. Okay, let me introduce myself. My name is Putri, and I am Putri. Thank you.
I'm single.
and very happy. And our last.
Okay, thank you. Let me introduce myself. My name is Jum Riyati, and you can call me Jum or Yati.
Oh,
after.
oh, Jum or Yati. It's the first time.
And for the
Like Yati. Oh, Yati.
Yati.
Okay. So our lovely BPSians, we're talking about welcome to offline school. So, offline school. So all of you is still a student, right, in a college?
Yeah. Yeah, I have to say yeah.
Why?
Because I'm the late semester now, so it's hard for me to mention if I'm still a student. Oh,
I feel that.
okay.
I feel that.
Oh. Thank you.
So yeah, so maybe you could explain, or maybe you could tell smart listener about your experience during offline school. Are you college already in offline school or still?
For now, I don't have any schedule to study anymore.
Oh, yeah. Let's go.
So actually, after Corona, I can't feel like offline class or something. So pasca Corona, I only schedule my proposal and my research and anything to do in the future. So I don't have any class anymore this moment. Yes.
Oh, so all of you is in the same college?
Yes,
Oh,
we
yeah.
are squad.
Let's go. Wow, you want to go to fighting another college, huh? Yeah.
Oh, I really want to stylish squad. I want to be in your squad.
Yeah.
From Dewi squad.
So what about you? What any experience in offline school maybe?
I think I already comfort in online school. I'm already to offline school right now because it is make me be lazy. Actually.
make it more,
Yeah.
more progress your other skill, yeah. Like
Yeah.
more sleeping.
More sleeping, yeah. More eating,
Actually
yeah.
like that.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I'm comfort to sleep.
Now wake up in the morning.
Yeah.
Not a morning person,
Yeah.
Yeah. But you get offline school, offline class, right? In this semester.
Yeah.
But more prefer online school.
Yeah.
Yes. What about you, sister? What about the offline school in your perspective, or maybe any funny experience?
So I'm so excited to ride offline school
Yeah.
because actually I'm very suffer in online because I'm limited by how to say distance with my friends, so we cannot discuss about our assignment anymore. We are so different with offline. In the previous, we can share each other and asking for what can I do for this assignment, and we can help each other. In the online, we have to do by own selves.
Yeah.
So it's harder for me. So I'm so excited to write offline.
So,
okay.
but you already get the offline school, right? I
No.
mean, no.
Just
Why your face?
Oh, I think you're in the same college.
yes, but we are in the different
Department.
semester. Yeah,
Oh.
I'm in the
You're in-
19.
19.
I mean, 18 and 17.
I am first semester. I'm first semester.
Don't mention
Don't
your
mention
semester.
semester, yeah, it's so
Don't.
sensitive.
Yeah, it's
Okay,
sensitive. It will make our smart listener ear go boom.
Yeah.
Don't.
Exactly.
So okay.
Open the mask.
Oh yeah. Then open the mask. Yeah.
Yeah. So just like when we talk with Sister Dewi, we're talking about which do you prefer, offline school and online school, and any funny experience, and we found that so much something that we need to fix when we or maybe the school itself need to fix when facing this offline school, because offline school is maybe starting around 1 month or 2 months ago. So there's still much people still adapting about this. So maybe we could start with Sister Dewi. What do you think that the school or maybe ourselves could do to like improve this offline school, or like welcome back era of offline school?
Yeah, of course, back to normalize like before, yeah. That starting the class for the children itself, starting from 7 a.m.
Yeah.
until 1 p.m. And it's the real of study, the real of what they get, the quality of the lessons, the quality of they socialize to their friends and to their teacher, and the real of the teacher is more productive too, to making a good connection to the children, and for sure like a normalize their homework too. And especially because I'm a full-time mother, I preparing for their lunch box every day in the earlier morning, and I'm so excited to welcoming every day that and letting them and bringing them to the door, like the last goodbye for them, and have a nice day, have a nice lesson. Oh, why don't you?
I really want to be your daughter.
Yeah, and then when
Is
they,
there smart listener?
I'm still alone, a mother alone here. Yeah, but you know, being mother is always for me is always exciting because it challenges me. Like normally, Jasmine when as she get back and she's more talkative right now. She's more productive too, and she tell me anything about her experience, or sometimes challenge me like, Bunda, I have a homework, can you help me like this, blah blah. It's like for art or making some things to her homework, and it makes me more productive as a mother. So I don't get stuck for what I'm doing in the day. And that's why when my friends chatting me by WhatsApp or something like that, and they ask me, what are you doing in this time? Then I said, I'm a busy mother. What kind of busy? I said to them because I'm a smart. I'm different than another mother. I'm not ordinary mother.
Not a social media mother.
Yes, not a social media. I use social media only for some like for fun, but it doesn't makes me addicted for the social media itself, and it makes Jasmine also more, how to say, like more making me it challenges me that Jasmine wonders some things for me, like, Bunda, I want to know about this, can you tell me, or can you help me to answer my homework? But I don't ask you to answer a whole. I want you to help me only, contribute me, and that's the benefit or from offline school. And that's the and the nicest moment also when as they get back home and they give me the best and romantic hugging and kiss like every day, and said, Bunda, I really miss you. Do you? And then I asked them back that why what makes you miss me, baby? Then Irish said, what? Because in a house I cannot see you.
I'm melting.
That's the moment that you cannot find in online school.
Exactly.
Yeah, that's from me.
I have a question for Mom Dewi.
Yeah, okay.
As a mom, which one do you prefer, online school or offline school? I'm curious.
Offline school. That's
Offline
why
school.
that's the situation I told you before that you cannot find it in online school. The moment.
I see. Oh,
Yeah, the moment,
okay.
all the how to say, the best quality moment, like you let them, your children, and say goodbye, and then you are the first person they see after they get back from the school itself, and they say, Bunda, I'm really missing you. I want to sharing anything about my problem. Bunda, I'm so sleepy. Bunda, I'm so tired. I'm so starving. What do you prepare? What do you prepare for lunch for today? I want to eat I want to having a great lunch.
Food, yeah.
And then I can see my children after the school, they can eat much than if I have to compare from online school. It's totally different. Yeah, they don't eat much in a big portion because making socialize, the real socialize, taking their energy more. That's the obstacle. That's it.
So offline school make Sister Dewi more like, making a connection with your
connection
children.
and productive.
Yes.
Yeah.
Make you see your children, your progress of your children every day.
Yeah,
Right?
and it's challenged me like what should I prepare for their lunch and snack box, because I normally making for them two kind of lunch box, because they have 2 times resting at school, and that's why it's challenged me for more for more productive and for more being a smart mother. So that's it.
Oh,
Okay.
smart mother.
Smart mothers. Not only
In smart listen, in
yes.
smart FM.
Not only we have smart listener, we also have smart
Mother.
mother.
Oh,
And smart student.
And
smart students.
what about the smart students?
it's smart moderator.
Wow. What about the smart students?
Okay.
What thing you think that need to be maybe change, maybe improve? Either it's for in us or maybe in school to improve the offline school right now, because offline school right now is just like half-hearted. It's like setengah-setengah. So it's like I don't. Yeah, there's still much thing that we need to improve. So what do you think?
Okay, in my experience, I also teach some students that in high school, different school have different regulations. So, for example, school A apply these regulations. So every meeting, they need to take a letter. For their parents to sign whether their parents agree to attend that school or not, offline school or not. But the other school, there is no kind of regulation. Like my sister at senior high school, she attend her school one time, for example, a week. From Monday to Friday, she attended her offline school only 1 week. So for example, the first grade of senior high school, 1 week, and the next week is second grade, and the third week is the third grade. So 1 week for one class of each level. So different regulations. So I think maybe for the government itself need to apply some regulations, so the school and the headmaster itself of each school not confused about much regulations itself. So the regulation is the problem that have to fix, I think. Okay, that's it.
Okay, maybe if you, sister, as a person who's still a college students, what do you think that we need or we could improve?
About the regulations.
Maybe the regulation, or maybe how people behave. Like people still like our sister June that's still enjoying the online school. Yes.
Sleeping Beauty.
Not giving shade.
Okay, for me,
Yes.
so I think that what we have to improve when we conduct offline school, that we have to still obey the health protocol,
Yeah.
because of course we are in the transition to go to the new normal. So I think it's firstly what we have to still focus on. And also, I think people we have to adapt with the new condition again,
Yeah.
because we have passed 2 years with the corona. So I think people have to adapt anymore with the new condition with this within this era.
Yeah.
Adapt.
Yeah, so we maybe maybe we still need time to adapt, and we need to make sure that we adapt more.
Yeah.
What about Sister Jums that still enjoy the online school?
Snow White.
Oh, Snow White. Are you eating apples?
What is the question?
What do you think that we could improve in online school, offline school? I'm sorry.
I think like Sister Annie said, we have to obey a protocol.
Health protocols.
Yeah, and already vaccine.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, of course. Yeah.
So, and then we have to already back in the campus, not busy again, and not lazy again, no comfort again, with sleeping. Trying to comfort.
Lazy and busy.
Oh, lazy too busy. Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Okay, like that.
So it's a note for yourself, right? To improve ourselves.
Is it for herself?
Yeah, maybe for yourself.
From lazy to
Too busy. Yeah. Maybe it's the slogan that in front of your door. You wake up, you see, wow, it's too busy. What about you, sister? I think as same college students in last semester, in our last semester.
Remarkable.
don't mention it, please.
Yes. Do you enjoying the consultation or the research phase in this kind of situation?
Yeah, exactly. If I compare between online and offline, I prefer offline one, because when I checked the lecturer itself, they reply too long, so I can't wait. It makes my proposal will delay so long, so I can't wait for that. So my semester will getting older. I can't wait for that. And then also if I compare again between online and offline, the lecturer sign my proposal quickly than online one.
Oh, I see.
So I can really feel it. So that's why I even it's heavy rain, even I have to climb the mountain. I have to meet the lecturer by offline. I can't wait if I have to wait for online for them to reply my WhatsApps. I can't.
Even you have to cross the ocean, yeah.
Even because I can't with the
Flying to the cloud.
yeah, even to the space.
You become Ninja Hattori, ya?
Yeah, melewati gunung.
Yeah.
Melewati
lembah. Yes.
Okay. Can I have a question again?
Yes. Okay. Okay. Maybe.
Okay, I have a question for Mr. Ichal. Because you asked a lot, but I want to know about your point of view.
Because I'm hiding my point of view, because I don't want to people know that I'm.
You mentioned my semester, and you also have to mention your semester. We are the last. Oops.
I'm not the last. I still have friends.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, what do you think about? Are you also how to say how to say bimbingan?
I'm in research phase.
Yeah, research. Yeah. So
I'm doing research.
So what do you think about your research page and etc.?
For me, exactly when I'm still, doing a proposal,
Mm-hmm.
I'm actually more enjoying online.
Oh.
Online because I don't need to see my
Lecture.
yes, my lecturer face. I don't need to get any scold. They don't to scold me. They need to why this again? Why this again? Why this? I don't want to hearing that actually. If my lecturer hear that, please forgive me. I'm just playing.
Oh, okay.
But yeah, okay. Maybe that's what I feel. And smart listeners, still we will talking again after a small break. So still, closing. Okay. Okay, smart listener. We already in our end of.
Yeah.
See you.
See you. Bye.